everyone, welcome back to Thursday YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a box shadow generator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is going to be a simple beginner project. So we have 4 sliders, which this one, there's the sides, which goes left and right, how much you want it in left and right. Okay, and we have how slider or this was for left and right, this one is for left and right. This is for up and down. This is for the how thick you need it, the how of box shadow you need, and this is for the thicker version. And we have this, copy this box shadow to CSS, and we have a color change. You can change any color. In my preference color to yellow, and you get yellow. You can see. You can then don't forget to get the source code. Link will be in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get started. Okay guys, now I'm going to get the first set of keys here. To get that, I'm going to press shift, exclamation tab. Okay, and between the body, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, before the start with the body, let's get started with doing CSS. And we're not doing CSS, linking CSS. So link CSS done. Now we are going to create div content, enter. Inside that we're going to have div container. Inside that container we're going to have an input. Okay, input is not going to be type text, it's going to be type color. Okay, let's see how it looks. Input text color, and we have a color change. You can change any color, and we're going to have input of, not color, this time it's going to be range. And we have range, so I'm going to copy 4 types of range. Okay guys, 3. Okay, we have 4 types of ranges here, and our color. Now this is it here. Now let's get started with the CSS. Okay guys, for CSS I'm going to create abstract selector. Actually, let's do asterisk, enter, margin equals 0, padding of 0, and border of none. Next we are going to start with dot content, enter, display of flex duration column, line item center, justify content center, height of 100, viewport height, and that's it. Next we are going to the container. Okay, container. We're going to have a container of display flex, duration column, line items center, justify content center, width of 100, height of background color, and that's it. Okay, and we are going to have a div going to be margin, padding, and border. So padding is going to be 1. Padding is going to be 15. Margin is going to be 10. Okay. And this is for CSS and HTML. Now let's get started with the JavaScript. Okay, so to mention, this is a small project, a beginner project, so it's not going to contain very long set of codes. It will contain around 2 to 3 lines of JavaScript codes. So let's code it. First we're going to have consist equal document query selector consists, and we are going to have confirm enter. Okay, and this is it. Now we are going to change it to shadow range and okay, that's it here. That's it for JavaScript, and we have done our JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. That means, guys, our project is completed. So let's see the final outcome of it. I hope you guys are excited for this to see the outcome. Let's get started. We're going to the HTML. Let's right click show preview. It looks nice. We'll see with these functions the way we need. So we have a box shadow, we have sliders, we see where they work. First let's start with the color. We'll do green, and yeah, the color worked. And this left and right seems to work pretty well. And we have up and down, works perfectly fine. And we have a thickness, that means how much bold you want, and we have how much thicker you want. So all works perfectly. And the copied, we have a message says that it's copied. That means when you click the copy, it will copy the box shadow CSS code, copy, and it says code copied message. I hope you guys enjoyed making this video with me, and see you in the next. Peace.